So guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a comparison between the Infinix S5 Pro and the Tecno Camon 15 Premier. What's up guys, it's Michael from Metal Unboxing. We're happy to make decision in buying budget smartphone and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. The Infinix S5 Pro and the Tecno Camon 15 Premier are both made of glass at the front with plastic frames and plastic bags, which are also fingerprint magnets. I prefer the opal white color on the Tecno Camon 15 Premier to the forest green on the Infinix S5 Pro. The Infinix S5 Pro and the Tecno Camon 15 Premier are both IPS LCD displays and are 1080p, which is an upgrade from the normal 720p with no drop notch or hole punch display, which I really like. And when you are consuming content on both devices, there is no obstruction, all full screen, and the bezels are okay for its price. The Tecno Camon 15 Premier has a 6.6-inch display, while the Infinix S5 Pro has a 6.53-inch display, which means that the Tecno Camon 15 Premier is 0.07 inch bigger than the Infinix S5 Pro. The Infinix S5 Pro and the Tecno Camon 15 Premier both runs on Android 10 with their bloatware-driven user interface with ads, which I don't know why can't be turned off. The Infinix S5 Pro has two storage options, which are the 4GB RAM 64GB of internal storage and 6GB RAM 128GB of internal storage, while the Tecno Camon 15 Premier only has one storage option, which is the 6GB RAM 128GB of internal storage. I didn't get to check out both device camera because I wasn't allowed to power on the Tecno Camon 15 Premier, but the Infinix S5 Pro was powered on. Both devices has a 4000 mAh battery, which can be charged with the micro USB cable, which you can find inside the box with the 5W power brick. Wow. At 76,600 naira, you can get the Infinix S5 Pro, which has a 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage, while the 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage costs 93,000 naira, while the Tecno Camon 15 Premier cost a whooping 106,000 naira.
Even now, I don't know what I want you to do.
The Infinix S5 Pro and the Tecno Camon 15 Premier has a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset. Personally, I will go for the Infinix S5 Pro over the Tecno Camon 15 Premier, but if you don't want any of these devices but you are a loyal fan, I will recommend you get the Infinix Note 7, which has a bigger display, better performing chipset, which is the Helio G70, better image quality and bigger battery life. Also, if you want a better option, you can get the Redmi Note 9S or the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Hope you guys enjoyed today's comparison. If you like it, kindly hit on the subscribe button below, like, comment and share, and I will see you on my next video. Cuídate.